What you eating, buddy?
Soup.
Yeah, is it tasty?
Tasty.
What kind of soup?
Green.
Green soup? What's in there?
Carrot.
Carrot. Let me see. Mama see a carrot? Cause you eat a carrot? Oh. What's that? Whoa.
Big piece.
Big piece. Is that good? What you doing with those blue toenails?
Kitchen.
Is that tasty?
Kitchen.
Can you eat some zucchini? Chicken. Wow.
Big piece.
That's a big piece. Do you see zucchini in there? I think that's celery. Can you say celery? Good job. What's that?
Chicken.
Good job. That's a big bite. Make sure you chew. Well done.
Right down.
Oh my goodness, you are chowing down. Miles, how old are you?
2.
Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you.
Good boy. I love you.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.